If you're looking to manage and process global employee payroll with ease, Deel is the tool you need. Deel simplifies the complexities of international payroll, ensuring you're compliant, organized, and efficient. Whether you're paying a few employees or a large global workforce, this platform will help streamline your payroll processes across borders. Let's dive into how Deel makes it all happen and how you can use it for free with our exclusive bonuses through the link below. Deel allows you to handle global payroll seamlessly, no matter where your employees are located. The platform works with contractors and full-time employees in over 150 countries, so it's great for teams that are truly international. You'll find Deel particularly useful if you're expanding your team globally or if you're already managing a diverse group of employees spread across various regions. First off, Deel takes care of everything from setting up contracts to ensuring tax compliance in every country you operate in. All you need to do is create a company profile on Deel. From there, you can easily add employees or contractors. The system will walk you through the onboarding process, making it simple to upload the required documentation, such as work contracts and tax forms. Once your employees are onboarded, you can start processing their payroll. Deel automates a lot of the process, calculating taxes, social contributions, and other deductions for you. This is a huge benefit for businesses managing payroll in multiple countries, since tax laws and rates can vary widely. Deel ensures that all calculations are accurate, so you avoid potential fines or issues down the line. When it comes to payment, Deel offers flexibility. You can pay employees in their local currencies through local bank transfers or various other payment methods like PayPal or Deel's integrated payment solutions. Deel also allows you to offer benefits in local currencies, which makes it easier to ensure your employees get paid fairly and on time without worrying about conversion fees. What really sets Deel apart is its ability to handle compliance automatically. For each country, Deel ensures you're following local labor laws, including salary minimums, benefits, and termination clauses. This saves you countless hours of research and manual checks, letting you focus more on growing your team instead of dealing with legalities. Deel also updates these compliance requirements regularly, so you're always up to date with the latest regulations. Managing your global payroll in Deel is made even easier through its reporting and dashboard features. You can track payments, expenses, and other metrics all in one place, making it easier to understand where your money is going and how your payroll is performing. The intuitive dashboard gives you real-time insights, so you never have to second-guess whether everything is on track. Now, if you're new to Deel, getting started is easy. Sign up, add your employees, and let Deel do the heavy lifting. But here's the best part. You can use Deel for free with our exclusive bonus offer. Just click the first link below to get started and take advantage of an extended free trial. You'll get the full experience with no hidden fees or commitments, giving you the opportunity to fully explore the software before making any decisions. Deel also offers customer support to guide you through any questions or issues you might encounter. Their team is available via chat or email, so you're never left hanging if you need assistance. Whether you're dealing with payroll concerns or need help navigating the platform, their customer service is top-notch. To wrap up, if you're looking for a simple yet powerful solution to manage and process global employee payroll, Deel is the way to go. From compliance management to automated payroll calculations and seamless payments, Deel takes the hassle out of global payroll management. And remember, you can start using Deel for free with our exclusive offer linked below, so why not give it a try? Be sure to check out the link below for your extended free trial and start simplifying your global payroll today.